One very important organelle that many people have heard of and maybe understand, a slice of what these things do is the mitochondria. Can you just talk a little bit about mitochondria, what they are, and what they do? Not only in terms of like what the average sort of biology student probably knows them for, but the expanded list of important things they do.
Yeah, I think that's a great question. And so first off, I have to qualify that when I started my career, number one, I never thought I'd work on mitochondria. And number two, I never thought I'd be labeled as a neuroscientist. But it's you just follow where the results send you, and we discovered mitochondria in this pathway, and then it works in the nervous system. But to get your question, mitochondria, I mean, we hate saying this as mitochondrial biologists, the powerhouse of the cell. That's what everyone recognizes them for. The major energy producing organelle in your cell to produce ATP, ATP. But also they have a myriad of other functions. And when we think about that myriad of other functions, we need to actually go back and remember what mitochondria were.
Mm.
So, mitochondria were bacteria. And so billions of years ago, one bacteria made another bacterium, and somehow the bacterium that got engulfed figured out to give up most of its genome to its hosts and survive inside the host. And that happened, and it became a very symbiotic relationship. And that's how mitochondria evolved, is out of that symbiotic event that happened.
So
Um,
so so one bacteria ate another bacteria, and somehow I imagine we don't know exactly how this worked, but we know that the what became the mitochondria, that bacteria literally like gave some of its genes to the host cell and sort of that was like the deal. That's how alignment was achieved.
yeah, the deal, I think it had to be deals,
Mm-hmm.
plural. It had to happen over time, giving up, it didn't all at once give up 99% of its genome. It probably did it,
Mm-hmm.
over successive generations. But it's fascinating, you know, it's probably the most important biological event that happened on planet Earth, is this ability of mitochondria to be endosymbiosed.